Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings on the Delta Force PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Delta Force game on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will then take you into the settings page. Now from this page, if you are using a keyboard and mouse, click on the keyboard and mouse section. You can now define your sensitivity, and underneath you can choose your vehicle sensitivity and the same settings for your aircraft. Click on the controls and combat option, and now you will be able to define your buttons for all of the controls within the game. You can add up to 2 buttons for the same task. If you wish to add a secondary button, just click on the blank space, and now you can press your desired button. You can press the escape button to exit the button setting menu. Now, in order to change any button that has already been assigned, you can click on the already assigned button, and when prompted, you can now press the new button that you wish to assign. And by following this step, you can change all of your desired buttons for both your controls and combat, the interaction menu, as well as vehicles. To change the settings for your controller, you can go into the controller option and make sure that your controller is connected. You can then change the settings for all of the buttons as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings on the Delta Force PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.